Dirt made my lunch. Dirt made my lunch. Thank you, dirt. Thanks a bunch for my sandwich, my salad, my milk, and my munch, because dirt, you made my lunch. The Banana Slug String Band are spot on in this song. Dirt, more scientifically known as soil, is so important for growing almost everything we eat and is the home of millions of organisms. At Soil-Born Farms, we love our soil and care for it every day. Let's learn how. One of the most important things we do to protect our soil is to cover it. We mostly do this by planting fruits and veggies in it, but when we aren't growing any produce in a patch of soil, for example during the winter when it is too cold to grow many vegetables, we cover it with a mix of special plants called cover crops. Cover crops include things like beans, oats, barley, peas, and vetch. These crops help protect the soil by preventing it from eroding, washing away, or blowing away in the wind or rain. Some cover crops add nutrients, like nitrogen, back into the soil. They also keep the soil loose and they attract beneficial organisms. At the farm, we also cover exposed soil with straw between our beds and with mulch to keep the soil moist and in place. Around our fruit trees, we do something called sheet mulching to help protect our soil and trees. Sheet mulching consists of a layer of mulch, and then underneath that a layer of cardboard, and finally underneath that a layer of rich, dark compost. Now, these 3 layers help to add nutrients back into the soil and create an amazing habitat for worms and other critters. This also is really beneficial to the tree because it keeps the soil nice and moist around the tree and attracts all of those beneficial insects. Another way we protect our soil is by rotating the crops we grow in each field. Every year, we plant each type of crop in a new location. Just like you and I have favorite foods, plants have favorite nutrients that they eat and use more of than others. For example, if we were to keep planting snap peas in the same place every year, eventually there wouldn't be enough nitrogen in the soil to grow snap peas in that spot anymore. In addition, we regularly test the levels of different nutrients in our soil to see if they are running low. We add certain nutrients back into the soil when they are deficient, meaning there isn't enough of them. This includes nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and calcium, which we add in the form of compost, feather meal, seaweed, and more. Lastly, we try to limit the amount of tilling that we do in our soil. Tilling is the mixing, stirring, and overturning of soil that is often done with a tractor. Soil is like a bustling city, home to many organisms moving about, doing their thing. When soil is tilled, it disrupts and removes a lot of these organisms, causing the quality of the soil to decrease and the loss of nutrients. We try to till our soil as little as possible and do a lot of surface level weeding to lower our need to till the soil. We love our soil at Soil-Born Farms and do everything we can to protect it. Our chickens love our soil too. So much so that they love taking long, luxurious dust baths in it.